Hi, my name is Gary from organicweb.com.au and I'm a Mailchimp certified partner. In this video, I'm going to very briefly go through the difference between a field, a tag, and a segment in Mailchimp. So let's go into Mailchimp itself. You'll notice that I'm in my Mailchimp audience. Email address, first name, last name, and so on. These are termed fields. We can have phone numbers, we could have address, and so on in these fields. In most Mailchimp plans, we can have up to 30 fields of data. A tag is a label that we can assign to our contacts. In this instance, you can see I've labeled people by the flavor of milkshake they like, but you could have done it by the state, the category of product they've purchased, and so on. So fields and tags. It's unlimited the number of tags we can have, with the only limit being that each tag can be a maximum of 100 characters in length. If you need to manage your tags in Mailchimp, you can quite simply click Manage Contacts, Tags, and you'll be able to tag people or bulk tag people, add new tags, and so on. If you want to change the name of your field, for example, or add new fields in Mailchimp, you click Settings, Audience Fields, and Merge Tags. Most people use a combination of fields and tags. Segmentation is slightly different. Segmentation is not data we add against a person or a contact. A segment is just a search or a filter of data that's already in our audience. So it's a search or filter of our field data and or our tag data. So what we do is we would create a segment in Mailchimp that meet our criteria, such as I want to know all people whose first name is Gary. I could create a segment where the first name is Gary and I could save it. And every time we add a new person into our audience whose name is Gary, they would be added to that segment. And as people maybe unsubscribe and so on, they would be removed from our segment. So fields and tags are data that we can add for a contact, and a segment is a search of our existing data that we have in Mailchimp. Thank you for joining me.